Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what is in the water in St. James, but it's getting to be the dirt capital. Man takes out his girlfriend, then ends himself. A woman who goes by the name Lisa, who is from Cambridge, St. James. According to the residents of the community, they heard Lisa and her common-law boyfriend, arguing. After all the argument stopped, a family member went to check on them, only to find Lisa unalive. Shortly after they discovered her inside the house, they found her boyfriend hanging from a piece of rope. He unalived himself. When will these men learn? It's not worth taking yourself out if she's cheating. SIZZLA Kalonji burns all of his platinum plaques given to him by DJ Khalid. This whole thing started when SIZZLA did a song, lyrics and all, was written by SIZZLA, and Khalid has not placed any pictures of Kalonji on the platinum plaque and had written his name, but it wasn't visible on the plaque. SIZZLA decided to create a bonfire with the platinum plaque. And in other news, 2 dead and 4 gunmen in custody after supermarket robbery in Manchester. Manchester became the wild, wild west on Friday when gunmen held up a supermarket. In Powys, Manchester, 3 AK-47 rifles were seized after the ceasefire. Jing Xianyi, who is the owner, and another man known only as Kushai, reportedly lost their lives. Reports are around 7:20 p.m. Friday evening. The 4 armed men entered a supermarket on the Powys Main and proceeded to rob the premises of an undetermined sum of money. The police were tipped off about the incident, and through their quick actions, a roadblock created. The robbers were intercepted in the Williamsfield section of the parish, where an AK-47 rifle were taken. Mr. Chin soon set up business in Jamaica at this point. Ivany Wright is free from detention facility. Yesterday, she went on Instagram Live and let her fans know she is free from the detention facility that she was housed and is now in the United States. Yesterday, a lot of her fans sent birthday well wishes, and she also shares her experiences in lockup. Hope this new start will let her change old habits. If you think Ivany will never change and will continue old habits, let me know in the comment section what you think. Until the next episode, stay safe. Surely he lives up to that name.